Alright, so the next test we're going to talk about is the total suspended solids test. In each one of your labs, there is a test procedure 1 through 7 that is posted to go over the test itself. Each lab has a container that has that's marked TSS, and that is a 1 liter, and that is what is needed to do this test. Okay. So first of all, we're going to start. We're going to put this in the sink here. And this has 1,000 mLs on it, and that's what we're going to fill this glass up to. So what we got to do is we take our parts here. We got to put this thing together. So this goes in here like so. All right. Just be careful. We don't want to snap anything off. Then what we're going to do is we're going to take our membrane, and it's important not to touch the membrane because you'll contaminate it. So the blue is the protectant part. This white piece, that's what the membrane is. That's what the water is going to flow through, okay? So we put this down here like so, and then we take the little blue pieces off, and leave the white one there, okay? So we leave the white membrane piece there, okay? So next, we take this piece with a clamp, we put this glass piece down like so, we put this clamp here like that, all right? The next thing we're going to do is we're going to take this water and we're going to put it through our system, and we're going to use this vacuum pump to pull the water through here until we get 1,000 mLs on here, okay? So I'll start by pouring this water in like so, and then just start pulling this, pumping the hand pump, and you'll start to see the water get pulled down through here. So what's happening is the water's being pulled down through the membrane, and the result will show the quality of the water, the suspended solids in the water itself. If any time let's say the tubing's getting old or something's going on with the tubing and it's starting to get smashed, you can relieve the pressure here on the system, you can relieve the vacuum, and it won't affect the test at all. And then you just start pumping again and you go right back to the test. So once you get the vacuum going, once it starts pulling a vacuum, you really don't have to keep pumping. As you can see, it's gonna keep drawing a vacuum and pulling through. Okay, so as you can see, our container, we just have very little water left. That's just what we had because we had to fill it all the way to the top. But we have our 1 liter or 1,000 ml container, and we've hit our 1,000 ml mark. So now we're going to take off this top portion. We're going to take our tweezers and we're going to remove the filter, and we're going to hang it and let it dry for 30 minutes. After it's sat and dried for 30 minutes, we're going to take it back off of here. We're going to hold it up next to our chart. This is our total suspended solids chart. This is going to tell us what level of suspended solids we have in the water. So after this dries for half an hour, if it still looks like this, it hasn't even reached the 10 ppb mark, okay? So here we are less than 10 ppb of total suspended solids. Okay? So that's the total suspended solids test. All right, thanks.